Hey everyone, it's Kayla. Welcome back. Today I have another clothing box to share with you, and that is my Fashom box. So I am very excited to share this box with you. My last Fashom box was actually a 5 for 5, so I got to take advantage of the 30% discount for keeping all 5 items, so that was really nice. I will pop a card up above, so if you missed that video, you can go check it out. I got this top in my last Fashom box. Loving this top. It's perfect for summer. Very lightweight, but go watch the video because I described it there. I'm really excited to get into this box. Fashom is another clothing service. It's not a subscription service. You do it on demand. You do pay a $15 styling fee after your first box, but that does get credited to anything that you keep. Their discount system recently changed, and I know you get 30% for keeping all 5, and I believe you get 20% for keeping 3 or 4. I will verify that when I look in my box if that information is there. If not, like I said, I will leave a link below so you can find out more information, try it for yourself. Did I say I'm gonna leave a list of clothing items below? Because you know I always do that. I will do that below too. It's a beautiful day, so I figured we'd spend some time outside. What's better than nice weather and a clothing box, right? So let's get into the box and see what's inside. So, all right, so I did cut open the box, whoops. And then the first things that you get are your return mailer. So anything that you're not keeping goes back in here. Postage is free both ways, so that's nice. Just drop it off at the post office. They use USPS. Oh, whoops, I already took this out, but you get an envelope that says Hello Beautiful, and then inside you get your invoice. On top of your invoice is the style note. I've had malls. You can pick your stylist actually, which is really nice. And then, okay, 25% off for keeping 3 or 4 pieces, and then the 30% for keeping 5. So that's really nice. I'll go over prices as I'm trying things on, like I always do. Also in your box, you get a card telling you what's next. So if you're new to the service, I appreciate when the style boxes put these in their boxes because it kind of helps out, takes the guessing out of it, right? What I like about Fashom too, I already kind of know what I'm getting. They send you a preview of items to choose from, and you could pick up to 5 to get shipped to you. So I do kind of have an idea of what was sent to me, but I'm still going to unbox it with you and share it with you. So the first thing I have, and I'll go ahead and, whoops, knocking the box off the table. Hang on. Okay. So this first thing is by Mittoshop, and I'll go over the names of the tops as I try things on too. We'll just kind of look at them briefly here. So it's a purple and white striped cold shoulder top, and then in the front it's kind of got a twist front. So that's pretty cute. I do like cold shoulder tops, so I'm excited to try this one. All right, the next thing I have, whoops, I love the colors in this one. This one's so fun. So this one is by Umgee. I can't remember which box I first tried Umgee in, and I love the brand. I think the items are so unique. So here's the tank. It's a V-neck, and it's got buttons down the front. I love the colors in this top. I'm so excited to try this top on. And then I love the colors of all the tops. I felt like I wanted some bright colors, and she definitely delivered with that. Whoops, and I can't find the tag of this one. Here we go. This is by Marfa, it looks like. And I don't know if I like the material, but you never know. I'll look at the materials as I try things on. You know I do that. So here's the top. It is a short sleeve top. What do we see that we're gonna cut off if I keep this top? Yep. You know I don't like these, but we can work with it if I keep the top. So cute. Fun summer colors. Purples, pinks. I'm liking this. So different too, a lot of different styles. So that's what I like. I like to add different styles to my wardrobe. Push me out of my comfort zone a little bit. All right, and then this is by Mittoshop. Yep. It's cheetah, but I don't own any red cheetah, so this will be a new addition to my wardrobe if I keep it. It is a tunic length. It is a V-neck, which you probably can't tell, but I'll show you when I try it on. Really, really cute. How fun is that? And then lastly, this is also by Mittoshop, and I love the fabric. This feels really soft. So it's a V-neck, it's a t-shirt, but in the front, it's kind of got a twist front too. So that's really, really cute. I love this color olive green. I know it's more of a fall color, but I like to wear it with white pants, and it kind of makes it more summery by doing that. So All right, this was a good box, so let's try everything on. I'm so excited because there's some new styles for me. So I'll be right back and we will start. Okay, first top. This is by Mittoshop. This is the striped twisted hem cold shoulder top. It's $42. It's an extra large and it's 95% viscose and 5% spandex. I like this top more than I thought I would when I pulled it out of the box. So it is a cold shoulder top. I love the colors. The stripes are not bad. I do like the twisted front. I just don't know how I feel about it with the stripes, but because I like the top part, I'm just not sure about down here. I do like that it's still, even though it is a twisted top, I'm not sacrificing length, because I feel like sometimes with the twisted tops, they pull the shirt up a little bit shorter than I like, but with this top, I don't feel like it is. So they back up a little bit more so you can see the whole entire top. So not bad. I think it's pretty cute. And then here's the back. It is a little bit longer in the back, which I like, but I have to watch back because it kind of feels like it might be too long in the back, but I'll have to watch back and see. All right, let me know what you think of this top, and I am gonna move on to the tank. I'm so excited to try on that tank. All right, right back. Okay, so next top, I'm loving this top. This is by Umgee. This is the sleeveless V-neck high-low top. It's $41. It's 100% rayon. That's the only thing, but might be able to work with it. It's an extra large. I think I got everything. So it has a V-neck, which I love, and then it does have buttons, which I'm not sure if you're gonna be able to see. Yeah, you can see those down the front, all the way down the front, and then it kind of just a little bit gathers here at the front of the top. How pretty is this top for summer? It just screams summer. I love the colors in this top. I love the style of this top. The material feels great. I know rayon wrinkles easily, but I might need this top. The back is a little bit longer, which I like. So I have it on with my white jeans, but I can also wear it with my white shorts for a cute look for summertime. I think this one's a keeper. So you let me know what you think, but I love the stripes. I love the colors, neckline, length. Passes pretty much every Kayla test that's out there, so I think this one is going in my closet. Okay, I'm moving on to the next top. All right, I'm back with the next top, and this one is by a brand that I have not heard of or tried before. This is by Cissy & Co. Paris, and it is the printed top, $37, 95% polyester, which I'm surprised, and 5% elastane, and extra large. I think that's what it was. I think it was. If not, I'll put it across the screen the right size. So I actually like this top too a little bit more than I thought I would. The strings, I think I'd probably cut it off if I kept this top, but I don't know how it would look. So because of the neckline, I don't know. But I don't like the strings, so I'm gonna leave them hanging. Sleeves are pretty cute. I love the pattern and I love the colors in the pattern. Again, a very varied summer-like top, right? I like the length. Here's the back. I don't know, I'm on the fence with this one too. I think it's cute. I think I'm thrown off because I didn't think I was gonna like it as much as I do now when I put it on. I think I like the pattern of this top because I don't own anything in this pattern and I don't want a lot of pinks and purples. So I might keep this top. We'll see. What do you guys think? It's a different top for me. So, all right, I'm gonna go put on that leopard top. You all know I love my leopard, so let's see how that looks and I will be right back. Okay, this top is also by Mittoshop. This is the leopard print tunic. It's $42. It's 100% rayon. It's an extra large. It kind of feels a little bit big, but let's just take a look at it. I like this tunic too, so I love the neckline. I was gonna say that, right? It's very lightweight. What do you think? Oops, I didn't back up far enough. The length, it is a little bit long, and I don't know if it looks a little too big. You might be able to see better when I turn around. Love the pattern. The leopard print is the red, and then it's not black. It's almost a navy blue with the spots. So that's really pretty because I can wear that with my navy pants, with my white pants, with jeans. Here's the back. So it definitely is a tunic length. I just don't know if it's too long and too big. I don't know, what do you think? I like it a lot. I love the pattern. I don't own any red cheetah print shirts, so this would be a new addition to my wardrobe, but I'm curious to hear your thoughts, and we have one more top. Okay, last top. This is by Mittoshop. It's the bamboo V-neck twisted side knit top. It is $42. So like the title or the name of the shirt says, it is 96% bamboo viscose, which if you haven't tried yet, it's so soft. I kind of had a feeling it was that material when I pulled it out of the box, and 4% spandex. So love the neckline. Sleeve length is a little bit longer for short sleeves, which I do like. Here's the top. It does twist here. I love the olive green color. Again, it is more of a fall color, but with white pants and some wedges, you can bring it through summer. Here's the back. It is longer in the back. What do you think about the top? I like this one too. Oh, I have some tough decisions to make, so I'm gonna need your help. All right, we'll be back for a quick recap in just 1 second. All right, time for the recap. So let's start by talking total price. So the total price of this box is $204. If I kept all 5 items, that takes off 30%, which would be $61.20, bringing the total down to $142.80. Now, that does not take off your styling fee, so that takes off an extra $15. Plus, I have a little bit of credit, so thank you to whoever used my link. I don't know with Fashom. They don't give me names or anything, so if it was you, thank you. I truly appreciate it, and I hope that you're loving your Fashom boxes. So I think it would bring it down to about 100 and just off the top of my head, I don't know exactly, probably like $115 for 5 pieces, which isn't bad. I've been really lucky with the prices of my boxes lately. I have got some really, really good pieces of clothing. So let's talk about it. I am so torn and I don't know what to do. I'm gonna need your help. So let's start from the last one and move our way forward to the first thing. So I do like this green top, but I don't think I need it. So the only thing is I love the material of this top. If you have not tried anything bamboo, I purchased, I think it was my last box or the box before, my first piece of clothing that was the bamboo viscose, and it is so, so, so incredibly soft. So I highly recommend that you try it, and that's the only reason why I'm considering keeping it, but I don't know if I need another top in this shade because I have a short sleeve green top already, so I don't know, but let me know. So this is going in the maybe pile. Another thing that's going in the maybe pile is the red leopard. I did like it, but I would need to size down, so I'm gonna email them just to see if they have a size down and then go from there. If they do, I'll probably keep this top. So for now, it's gonna go in the maybe pile. This top too is going in the maybe pile. I have a lot of things going in the maybe pile. So this is the Marfa top. Is that what it was? I think so. Oh, this is saying Cissy & Co. Paris. It's different. So this says Cissy & Co. and this says Marfa. I wonder if it's the same. I'll have to look into that. But anyway, this top, I liked it, but I don't know. I'm on the fence, so it's going in the maybe pile. This is a yes. So I know it's 100% rayon, but I love the colors. I love the style. So this is a yes. This is a keeper for me. So no, not even thinking about that one. And this is also a maybe. This is more like this might be a no because I'm just not sure about the bottom of this top. I think if it was just a straight kind of length or straight hemline, I might keep it. I do like the length of this top, but I'm just not sure about the twisting with the stripes and how it makes the top look. So I don't know. I'm gonna have to watch back and see. So this is probably a no, but I don't know. If I get maybe these 3 items, that's what I'm thinking to get my discount, but I don't want to buy things just for the discount, but I do. These are my 3 favorite items from the box. So if I can get a smaller size, I'm going to keep this top. And then this one, I love the fabric of this one, so I am considering this one. I'm going to look at the condition of my other green t-shirt that's this color and see what the condition of that one is, and if it could be replaced soon, then I will pick this one up. So I think that's what I'll do. And then I think I'm going to send these 2 items back. I know that was a little all over the place. It started off as maybes and then I kind of figured it out, but you let me know your thoughts too. What were your favorite items? I'm curious to see what they were, and I always appreciate your feedback, and you guys have some great styling tips too. So if you have any styling tips for my items, please be sure to let me know because I always appreciate those too. All right, that was my box. So thank you so much for spending some time with me today. I truly, truly appreciate it. I will see you all very soon in my next video, so make sure you stay tuned for that.